Next, I'm going to show you how these places are related by the power of 10 or by multiplying by 10. Let's look at the ones place. If I multiply my 1 times 10, I'm going to get the value in my tens place. If I multiply my tens times 10, I get the value in my hundreds place. If I multiply my hundreds times 10, so 100 times 10, I get the value in my thousands place. So again, the value in one place is 10 times the value to the right. Now let's see the relationship more clearly if the digits were all the same. I'm just going to use the same digits so we can get a better picture of how each place is related. So let's use the number 8,888. Now, to get the value of the 8 in the tens place, we multiply that 1, the digit 8 in the ones place, by 10. So we get 8 times 10, and that gives us a value of 80. 8 tens, or 8 groups of tens, gives us 80. To get the value of the hundreds place, I'm going to multiply that 80 times 10. So if I multiply 80 times 10, I get a value of 800. The 8 is in the hundreds place. 8 groups of 100 gives us a value of 800. Now if I multiply this 800 times 10, I get a value of 8,000. 8 groups of 1,000 give us a value of 8,000. So this is just to show you how the relationship works between place value in terms of power of 10 or multiplying by 10. Now let's look at this in a different way. The relationship of each place is 10 times the value to the right. So let's prove the value of one place is 10 times the value to the right. So if we were to divide 80 divided by 8, we get a value of 10. 80 is 10 times the value of 8. If we divided 800 divided by 80, we get 10. 800 is 10 times the value of 80. And if we divided 8,000 divided by 800, again we get 10. 8,000 is 10 times the value of 800. Now what if the digits were different? Let's say 5,325. Now I can't say 5 times 10 is going to give me the value of 20. Doesn't make any sense. Now, even though the digits are different, remember, we are talking about the relationship of the place value, not the digit. So even though the digits are different in this number, remember, we are talking about the value of the place, not the value of the digit. I gave an example where all the digits were the same, just to clarify how the places were related by the powers of 10 or by multiplying by 10. But we are talking about the place value. The value of the hundredths place is always going to be 10 times the value of the tens place. So 10 times 10 equals 100. So we get the value of the hundredths place. The value of the thousandths place is 10 times the value of the hundredths place. So 100 times 10 gives us 1,000, the value of the thousandths place.